What if you could make videos like these completely free? No card, no watermark, nothing stamped in the corner. Every clip you're looking at right now was made with a free AI tool. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact 3 that actually pull it off. Because I got so tired of every free tool that lets you make the whole thing, and then the second you go to download it, it wants your card, or it slaps a logo on it. So I ran the same image through all of them to find the ones that are actually free and actually clean. 3 of them made the cuts. Same image through each one, and by the end, you will see exactly which one wins. And stay with me to the end because I also signed up for those 2 free and unlimited sites all over your feed right now, just to see if they're actually real. Alright, let's start with the one no one is talking about. Go to chats.queen.ai and make sure it's the exact one, because there are copycat sites that quietly add the watermark back in. Now watch this. I'm using the same image I will use for all 3 tools. I describe the motion I want, and I hit generate. Give it a second, and look at that. It actually looks cinematic. But here's the part that matters most. Watch the download. It comes out completely clean. No watermark, nothing burned into the frame, and it is free. And that's the one that genuinely surprised me. Now, let me be honest with you about the catch, because there's always one. Your kids max out at 5 seconds, and it slows down a little after 6 or 7 generations. But take a short break, and it resets. And if there's a face in your shots, it will sometimes add mouth movements you didn't ask for. The good news is, you just add closed lips, not speaking, to your prompt, and it stops. And honestly, that's the whole downside. No card, no watermark. Now, before we get to tool 2, let's talk about VEO for a second, because I know that's what a lot of you are thinking right now. And you're right, VEO 3 makes gorgeous videos, and technically, yes, it is free with a Google account. So why isn't it my pick? Well, watch the corner, right there. That VEO watermark sitting on every single free clip you make. And I already know your next question, because I asked it too. Can't you just crop it out? You can't. There's a second watermark built right into the file that you can't even see. And it stays no matter what you do to it. The visible one only comes off at the $250 a month plan. So for a clean free video, VEO 3 is out. And those sites promising you VEO for free, hold that thought because we're coming back to them. Quick heads up before we keep going. Every prompt I'm using here, plus my master prompts for keeping the same face across all your clips, I dropped it all into one free pack. Just comment the word free pack down below and I'll reply with a link. Alright, tool 2. This one's the easiest to jump straight into. Head to arena.ai/video. Quick sign up. No card. And you're already making videos. No credit counter staring at you. No banner nagging you to upgrade. Now, I went looking for the catch here too, because the site this smooth usually has one. And honestly, the footage just downloads clean. The only branding is a little end card and it trends right off in about 2 seconds. But I want to be straight with you about one thing, because I've seen people oversell this one. Arena runs in a single model, and it won't even tell you which one. So if someone tells you Arena gives you VEO and Sora for free, that's just not true. What it actually gives you is a clean free clip with almost no friction. The real catch, about 3 generations a day, and then you wait. And that's the whole deal. Oh, and if you caught my Meta video, then yes, Meta is still on a freeze. Think of this one as the fast one. You make an image, you bring it to life. No watermark, nothing to buy. That video's got the full walkthrough if you want it. It won't win any awards, or when you just need a quick click, it really does the job. So, let's put it all together. The same image, 3 tools. Here's who wins. The best looking clip, that's green, every single time. And that's the one I reach for. The easiest sign up and cleanest download, that's Arena. And when you just need something fast, that's Meta. And VO on its own, I'd skip it. It's beautiful, but he puts his name on every free frame you make. Now, the thing I promised you at the start. 2 videos have been all over my feed this week. One is Grok is now free. The other says 100% free and unlimited. And between them, the promise you Grok, VO3, Sora, Kling, basically every model that normally costs money. So I signed up for both of them, just to see what you actually get. And here's what you actually get. A watermark on both of them. On the free tier, every single time. The exact same thing that got VO disqualified. And that word unlimited, they actually run on coins. You get a small handful when you sign up, and then you hit a paywall. And that unlimited they keep advertising is really just a referral link. You only earn more coins when other people sign up underneath you. So that's not a free tool. That's them getting you to do their own marketing for them. So, is there a real free, no watermark way to run VO3 and Sora right now? No, there isn't. Not one I could find. And believe me, I went looking. And I'll honestly rather just tell you that straight than sell you some sign-up link. So that's your full free stack. Queen for the best looking clip. Arena for the easiest and cleanest. And Meta for when you just need something fast. No card, no watermark. And the biggest thing I want you to remember is this. The watermark is the paywall. If a free tool has a business model hiding somewhere, you usually find it right there, stamped in the corner of your footage. The 3 I just showed you today don't have one. And that's the whole test. So if this helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button and comment the word free pack, and I'll reply with the link. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.